The United Arab Emirates, UAE, and the Italian Fincantieri shipyard signed a contract in 2009, requiring the shipyard to provide the UAE with two types of ships. One is a 1,650-ton class patrol ship, and the other is a 550-ton class coastal patrol boat, the latter being the Falaj 2. Falaj 2 is an advanced stealth coastal patrol boat. The first boat, P-251, began construction in Italy and was launched in January 2012, and was delivered to the UAE the following year. The construction of the second boat began a few months later. In fact, this stealth boat is not completely newly developed. It is based on the Diciotti class used by the Italian Navy, with modifications and enhancements in terms of size and firepower. The boat is 55.7 meters long, 8.8 meters wide, has a standard displacement of 520 tons, and a full load displacement of 550 tons. The boat is designed with stealth in mind to minimize radar reflection. Its main weapon is a stealth-designed Oto Melara 76mm rapid-fire gun at the bow, with two twin-mounted MM40 Block 3 anti-ship missiles at the rear of the hull, two triple-mounted Mistral vertical launch air defense missile systems, and a remote-controlled machine gun turret on each side of the hull, each equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun. The boat is powered by two MTU 16V 4000 M90 diesel engines, dual-shaft propulsion, and can reach speeds of over 20 knots. The onboard power is provided by 4 sets of MTU S60 diesel generator sets. As a modern vessel, it has an integrated mast, uses the Kronos NV 3D active phased array radar hidden in a top conical enclosed housing, with a single rotating antenna, capable of an air search distance of up to 180 kilometers. It also has an FCS-NA-30S fire control radar, mainly responsible for guiding the forward 76mm naval gun above the bridge, as well as SIRM target tracking radar, 4 billion Malawian Kwacha's electro-optical tracking system, CLL electronic warfare system, Link 1116 data link, etc. The boat has a crew of 28 people, with comfortable living space and a high standard of safety. The boat is highly automated, with high standards for the crew. This high-tech patrol boat is indeed powerful. It is capable of surveillance and patrol, as well as coastal attacks on surface vessels, and has a certain degree of point air defense capability. Its maximum range of 1,500 nautical miles is sufficient for the UAE, and it is almost like a small frigate. There are a total of 3 Falaj 2 boats, numbered from P-251 to P-253. The UAE obtained the shipbuilding technology from Italy, but it seems that the UAE still has not fully mastered the relevant technology, perhaps due to the lack of motivation in the oil-rich country. Although Falaj 2 has been in service for many years, there are still very few reports about it. It only attracted some attention in the first few years after its appearance, when stealth boats were gradually becoming mainstream. However, as people learned more about it, they discovered that the vessel is actually a product of the integration of subsystems from many European countries. For example, its power comes from Germany, while its anti-ship missiles come from France, and its naval gun comes from Italy. Such equipment integration is not difficult for a military industrial power.